What is foreign exchange? I'll tell you two stories. The first one is about how foreign exchange ruined the present, the Valentine's gift that Louis was going to get his girlfriend, Jenny. But we'll also look at Jenny, who was able to reduce her costs and make more money thanks to foreign exchange. We'll look into a way to eliminate that risk. I'll show you the tips or the tricks on how to do that. The ways we're going to do that is we're going to go back to Jenny, and then I'll show you how she was able to reduce her cost by 13%. And then we will look into Louis' story and how he thought he was going to make quite a bit of money and be able to buy Jenny a necklace, and due to Forex, he actually ended up losing a lot of money. I will ask you, what else could Louis have done? And I'll show you the ideas that other students are coming up with. Then we will look into what can you do to reduce or actually eliminate exchange rate risk. We'll see what the impact is on very large companies. We'll learn that the impact is 7 times higher than that of inflations or increases in wages. And yet, very few executives understand how foreign exchange works. So this will be a super useful session for you. We'll look at what happened to exchange rate over the last 10 years in Europe, Asia, Africa, North and Latin America. And we'll understand the concept of whether a currency is overvalued or undervalued. Sometimes people would say sales grew by 10%. And I think to myself, I know how to read myself. You got to tell me the story behind the drivers. Why is it that sales grew by 10% or 5% or 20%? And that is what you will learn how to do in this session. This is how we're going to do it. To explain sales growth, first we're going to look at this consumer and learn the concept of market share in units and in value. How many tea bags she's putting in her shopping cart and how much is paying for those for those tea bags is something that we want to be aware of. And then we're going to learn how to use waterfalls to explain sales growth by drivers. And we're going to use the example of the Nestle company, the largest food company in the world. We'll see how their sales grew driven by volume, by the number of units that they sold, pricing, buying other companies or merger and acquisitions, foreign exchange, and other factors. Altogether, you will end the session learning both about foreign exchange and how to explain sales growth.